Alright, let's talk about the flipping the image. So you're given an n by n binary metric, and you have to flip the image horizontally and then invert it. So basically, this is super simple and straightforward. And I'm just dive into the example. So you have 110, 101, and 000, right? So the first thing is going to be horizontal flip, right? Horizontal. So what you will get is what? 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 0, right? So let me just quickly draw a diagram. So this one will goes from the end, the middle one stayed the same, the last one go the first, and this will be the same thing, right? And since they are all zero, so you just say 0, right? Then you have to do the invert, and let me change another color. So the invert is actually be the opposite of the value. So if you have 0, then you say 1. If you have 1, you say 0. So this is going to be the solution for the example 1, right? So 1 0 0, right? 0 1 0, right? And then 1 1 1, right? So this is the solution. So this is supposed to be easy. So what you have to do is basically you have to just return image. I'm going to just modify the value in the image to the array. So I will have a for loop, and since I'm going to traverse the image array, and this will take the first row, right? The first row of the image to the array, and I'm just trying to flip array horizontal first, right? So I'm going to say for int I equal to 0, I less than image length and I plus plus, right? So the point is that I don't have to traverse until the end, right? This is because if I know the middle, if I know the middle, right, I know the remaining value after the middle one is already flipped, right? So I just have to traverse to the middle index. So this is it, right? So I'm going to say times 2, right? For every single time, I'm going to just flip twice index, right? Be honest. And I'm going to just say, temp equal to image at I, and image at I equal to image dot length minus 1 minus I, right? So this will be the first one, and then this will be the last one. And then I'm going to just do the same thing and equal to 10. So this is actually the swap method. You can just create a swap function, and then this will be easier to just read over the code, but this should be the same thing. And why do I have to minus 1? This is because of indexing. You're starting from 0, right? And then this is how it is, right? So now let's do the invert. So how do you do the invert? You have to traverse every single one of them in the array, right? So you cannot just cut. You cannot just go through in the middle. So you have to say for in I equal to 0, I less than image of length I plus plus, and image I would depending on if image is equal to 0, you're just assigned to 1. If they are not equal to 0, which is 1, you have to return to 0, right? And this is pretty much it, right? Here we go. So let me just delete the definition. All right, let's talk about the time and space complexity. So for time, this is all of n, right? And this is all of n, right? They have the same width and height. So this is all of n. So all of n times all of n. But this one is still inside this all of n, right? So it's going to be n squared. And the space is constant. So this is pretty much it, right? So let me just copy and paste my quick note. So time is n squared, space is constant, and this is a solution, and I will see you next time. Bye.